Hey guys, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're out here in Plano, Texas doing a TV mount over a tile fireplace. You can see this is not pre-wired, so we're going to be doing all of the wiring and installing the bracket, providing the HDMI cables and everything necessary to complete this installation. Let me show you what we got going on here. Here's Grayson getting the bracket put on the back of the TV. We're using the Tilt 3780. You've seen us use a lot in our videos recently. And let me take a look at the model here. We have model UN75 NU8000. This is a 75-inch TV, and we're going to be putting it up right here. So our plan of attack is we're going to drill a hole, figure out where our studs are, and run our cabling down to the entertainment console off here to the left-hand side. Drill another hole back in here and run 3 HDMI cables as well as 1 optical, 1 cat cable, and 1 speaker line so that they can hook up their surround system when they're ready to their AVR. Give us a few minutes and we're going to get this party started. Thanks for watching. So Captain Grayson is gonna go ahead and get to drilling on this tile here. We marked out where our mount's gonna be, where's the top of the mount gonna be?
Right here.
Oh, really? Okay, so the top of the mount's gonna be right here, which means we should probably drill like right here. Alright guys, check it out. Only the best for our customers. 4K HDMIs, DHCP 2.2, 18 gigabit per second, 4x4x4 with Cat 6 cabling, as well as a audio return cable. Sometimes ARC doesn't work, so we prepare for the worst. We're also going to be running speaker line. And then don't forget our Romax, which is code compliant for our electrical. She's alright. Woo-wee, look at those clean lines. You would have thought he'd done this before.
You might have, but I haven't.
Alright, next we're going to take our fish tape and throw it into the wall and hook it on the other side. Alright, one thing to consider, you guys trying to do this at home, make sure that your fish tape is on either the left or the right hand side of the fireplace exhaust, and if not, you're going to end up wrapped around it, and then when you go to use the fireplace, you're going to burn up your cabling and start a fire. So it's key that you keep your wires tight and away from the fireplace exhaust, because it's all dead space back there, and it's fine as long as you consider the fact that this is going to be extremely hot and your wires will burn up. Very important. Alright guys, check it out. So what Grayson's doing here is we kind of did a little installation. We cut the other half off of the power bridge kit because we were having an extremely hard time getting through that tile. And it actually ended up breaking the tile, so we're kind of making the best of a bad situation and bringing the wires out the side and then utilizing that entire hole for the power outlet, so it's not just a giant hole in the wall. And then we'll seal everything up after we get the outlet connected. And then down here we're actually going to use the power bridge kit. Instead of hopping up in the attic and spending an hour or two trying to get our line down the wall here, we have to bring HDMIs over to this side of the cabinet anyways, so we're just going to use this power bridge kit, which basically is a in-wall rated up to city code extension cord. So we're using Romax, which is what the home was built with, from there to there, and then the extension cord from the outlet to the outlet that the home is built with here in the back. These are a little bit more expensive, but our time is valuable, so we think it's worth it in this situation to use the power bridge kit to pick these up for about 60 bucks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving right along. You can see Grayson's doing a little custom work on this wall plate because he is very particular about his work, and he's going to try to make it look even better.
Above and beyond Call of Duty.
Above and beyond should be our slogan. All right, and if you look down here, yeah, my work's perfect, so. Anyways, we're coming right along. All right, guys, check out Grayson's handiwork. I'll have to say, all things considered, it's pretty impressive. There's a lot going on there. An ideal situation, you know, if we were like masonry experts and had all the tools for cutting tile, we could have made that a perfect square, but turned out all right. And got all our wires fished down to here. Now we just need to mount our bracket up there and get it hung up on the wall and make our connections. All right, guys, so we actually just knocked out one more tile to give us a more even surface to mount our bracket into. And we marked out where the stud is, which is right there. So we're gonna drill one of the lags right into the wood behind this tile. To get us started, which we are in there. You know, because it's ripping your arm off.
It is perfect.
I know.
These things barely go in there.
Look at that. Look at that. Money moves. All right, so Grayson's just over bracing things, as we do here at Dreamedia. A couple extra screws never hurt nobody.
Almost fell off that
Definitely
ladder.
hurts TVs though if they fall, so. All right, guys, so we cleaned up our workspace. Grayson took out the screws here on the back of the TV. We're gonna take our hooks right here and we're gonna hang it right here on our bracket. Hang it just like a picture. And then our lock rod is gonna slide right between here and the bracket on the wall, which will keep it secure. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it up there. All right, guys, check it out. We just finished this project off here in Plano. You can see we got the NU 8000 75-inch Samsung TV mounted up underneath. We have it mounted over the fireplace here, and we have all the wires concealed. It turned out absolutely beautiful. We have a power outlet up behind there, 3 HDMIs ran, as well as our optical speaker wire, and we even put in an Ethernet cable so they can hardwire the TV. All of our wiring is terminating down here below. You can see we have a cable box right now and an Apple TV hooked up. And then we have their spare HDMI, optical, and speaker wire for whenever they get their surround sound hooked up, which we'll be back for phase 2 on that. If you look, they have some Def Tech, I think these are like the 600 monitors hooked up front, left, and right, center, and then rear, left, and right. What we'll probably do is take that center speaker and mount it right here up underneath the TV. But this is what we've completed today. I'm very happy with how everything turned out. It looks beautiful. If you guys would like us to do something like this for you, just give us a call or shoot us an email. We are Dallas based, but if you don't live in Dallas, we can ship this product to you. The television, the mount, the power bridge kit, and anything needed to complete the work, including HDMI cables. Give us a call, shoot us an email. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below.